Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you some cool 3D effect with the revolve effect in Illustrator. First of all, I will draw a circle holding the shift so it will be a perfect circle, and I will cut it half with the trimming effect like this. Right click and group, delete. So this is the first stage. Second stage is making the symbols. So I already have some symbols like two-dimensional world map. So I just click on this and go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. Turn on Preview, go to Map Art and choose the symbol. And just resize it to make it fit better. So let's just say it's OK like this and click OK. So you have this cool 3D effect with the revolve effect. You can make all kinds of stuff with this. So for example, you can make a football. You can draw some shapes, make it black and make the symbol like this. I'm holding Shift and Alt. So it will copy, and now I click Ctrl V a couple of times, select all, and again Alt Shift, moving like this, and copy all again. I'm just making a pattern here. So we'll just say it's OK, select all and drag and drop to the symbols and click OK. This is a new symbol, so I delete this, and again I make something like a ball, white ball, cut it from the left side. This, trim, ungroup, delete, click on it, go to Effect, 3D, let's make it more visible so it will be gray, and go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, Preview and Map Art, click on the new symbol and resize it and move. So maybe it is not perfect, but I'm just showing you the principle and you can play with it and make it more realistic. Oh, it's okay. So we now have a football. This is just an example. I already said you can play with it to make it look more realistic. So I hope this was useful to you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.